Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm really excited to take you through an all-new model from Scout Boats. It is their 288 LXF. Starting off with the exterior, really striking boat. Again, new model from the keel up. Really tall boat, nice deep entry, proud Carolina bow flare. This boat has the full hull black gel coat, black rub rail with stainless steel insert. Coming around to the back, we've got a full walk-through transom with sea deck throughout. This boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick. These are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines. And now we'll climb in and make our way inside. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 288 LXF, really nice cockpit here, very feature rich. You can see the back of this leaning post has a lot going on. We've got rod holders, cup holders, tackle storage, cutting board, really nice upgraded Corian countertop with a freshwater sink. You flip this over, you got another cutting board space, stainless steel grab rail, cutlery storage, bottle opener that feeds directly into a trash can, tackle storage here. We've got a Yeti Tundra cooler. It has a lid that reaches a magnetic catch to hold it open. It's a nice feature. Comfortable stern seat here. This is the Bianca upholstery, so kind of a cream off-white upholstery with black stitching. You're within arm's reach of that stainless steel grab rail. Comfortable seat for two if you need to ride in the back. And then here we have a large live well that you can access via either lid. Also makes for a great cooler or a trash can if needed. More tackle storage here on the port side. Got stainless steel grate covers for that self-bailing cockpit with the Scout S. Walk-in transom door has a pad on it, so you've got padded bolsters throughout the entire boat. Nice sized handle to keep that closed and secured. We have undergunnel rod storage on the starboard side, which is also great for a deck brush or a boat hook. Fish boxes in the floor on both sides. Can also make for great coolers. Big, beefy fiberglass swing-in dock door. So easy access to the boat from either side, regardless of whatever your docking orientation is. Rocket launcher style rod holders up in the hardtop. JL audio system throughout the boat with color matched speakers in the hardtop as well, along throughout the gunnels. Here we have flip-up bolsters that work independently of each other, along with armrests. So if you want to lean with this angled footrest, you've got a great position to do so. And if you want to sit, whether you're driving or the observer, you've got a nice elevated perspective of the water, and great place to operate the boat or just hang out next to the operator. Here at the helm we have digital throttle and shift with those Mercury Verados. Huge Garmin touchscreen unit, single screen unit. Mercury vessel view display. We have induction style phone chargers on both sides. Head unit for that JL audio system. Upgraded Edson steering wheel on a tilt base with the steering knob. Zip weight controls for our tabs. VHF radio is already installed. We have the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber finish on the hardtop frame. The head on this boat is really nicely done. Great access into the head, a lot of room, very spacious. See the way they've angled the head here and the sink. You don't feel cramped when you're in here. Your battery switches and ignition is all back here, along with access to the back side of the console. If you need to get to anything back here, it's all very easy to do, easy to get to, and really well laid out. That's where your batteries live. Porcelain toilet with electric flush. Coming up forward, big chase lounge, everybody's favorite place to hang out and ride. Armrests that come down on both sides. Very comfortable position for a couple of adults, parent and a child. You got really nice deep storage here beneath that chase, along with a reboarding ladder that goes where that dock door is. Nice deep storage, or nice deep seating rather, up in the bow. Someone who's 6 foot tall can very comfortably stretch out. Stainless steel grab rail is comfortably located here for safety. We have bow rod cup holders and additional rod holders up here for holding rods, cups, or a bow sunshade if you had one equipped on the boat. We've got our anchor windlass, which you can also control at the helm in addition to here up at the foredeck. And then got really nice storage beneath the bow seats. Access to the anchor line, should you need it, is easy to get to. And you've also got storage here in the floor with dedicated space for the stern anchor that already comes with the boat. One thing that's cool about this boat is everybody hates dealing with snaps. All of these cushions up here are fastened using magnets that are really, really strong. So secure into place very easy. Cushions aren't going anywhere, and you basically have zero maintenance, unlike what you would with snaps or another fastener product. That is a walkthrough on Scout's new 288 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.